What's up? This is the RingConn Gen 2 Air, and we know that there have been health and fitness tracking rings on the market, but this is different and special. And yes, this is a sponsored video with RingConn, but I love when a product like this proves me right, because this has now become my smart ring of choice. So really what makes it different, and instantly it's gonna be the design. The Gen 2 Air is made out of titanium steel, and it is the world's thinnest and lightest smart ring with a minimum thickness of only 2 millimeters. And also this thing weighs in at only 2.5 grams. And yes, these numbers matter because once you put it on, you're really gonna feel the difference, and it just makes a huge difference in comfort. Now, if you wanna see a real comparison, I stacked some of these rings together from right to left. We're gonna start with my personal white gold ring that has no tech on it, right? None whatsoever, so obviously it's gonna be the thinnest. Then you go over one spot. This is the RingConn Gen 2 Air. Then you go another slot over. That's Samsung's Galaxy ring. And then over to the far left, the Aura ring. And hopefully you can really see the difference, but this is significant, especially once you put a ring on finger. Now the Gen 2 Air, easily the lightest, the least bulky, and feels the most comfortable on finger. So you know what, let's unbox this thing really quickly, show you how it's packaged. Here is the box. It is nice, and when I open it up, it reveals the Gen 2 Air smart ring and then its charging base. Gen 2 Air comes in two colors, Dune Gold or Galaxy Silver, which is the one that I have. The charger, this is actually surprisingly elegant with a little metal accent on that top edge, so it likes to class things up a little bit. It also includes a USB-C cable that you can connect to the charger. Now, if you want to talk about setup, it's really easy. When it's in the charger, you're going to actually see a blinking light on the ring to let you know that it's ready. Then you'll pair it to the RingConn app. You're going to go through the prompt, enter in some personal information, and then you are good to go. Also, it will probably download the latest updates too. That just takes a few moments. Now, another fun thing, since this is so thin, you can purchase their ring protector colors that are made of medical silicone and made specifically for RingConn smart rings. So what this does, these are 0.5 millimeters thick, they're 0.8 grams light. They enable you to change the ring's color and style to match your mood or your outfit, and it's an add-on that if you want them, it's just one of those nice touches that brings a different element of style, and other smart rings, they just don't have this. So you're probably intrigued right now by the design, but let's talk about what this thing can do, and it is really everything you expect. RingConn Gen 2 Air has a 10-day battery life. This is also IP68 waterproof and dustproof, so it can go 100 meters down underwater. But a smart ring, this is only going to be as good as the data it collects and how it presents it to you. And guess what? RingConn's robust app gives you a whole bunch of data points to work with. Now here on your main page at the top, you're going to see your wellness balance. That gives you a general score for 4 different categories. Those are relax status, sleep, activity, and vital status. So you can see all my scores here. And yes, if you're looking carefully, my sleep score needs some help, but you know, I'm constantly working, making videos like this for you, but I know it could get better. So I love diving into this stuff. The app lets you see the breakdown of each of these categories. So first of all, you saw I got a sleep score of 63, probably because I only got 5 hours and 9 minutes of sleep, which you can see, which is total trash. So you know what, I'll have to do better, but that's why I wear this, to actually see the data. There's a deep breakdown here, and also it shows my sleep stages. I think the biggest takeaway is that I need more sleep so I can get more REM sleep. And then I also just need to be more active. So look, I went outside, I jumped into the exercise section of the app to launch an outdoor walking session. And you know, I got some steps in, I did a little light walk in the neighborhood. I also did a little bit of a light jog, had to go up a little elevation, and you know, I could take a little break on the side, check out my activity as it happens. I'm always inside making videos, so for me it's important to get outside and touch grass once in a while. Now you can even pause your workout, pick it up somewhere else. So we then went to a nearby park as well, just to get a little more exercise in, walk around, run around, maybe do a little pull-ups if you like that. Bottom line, I just need to be more active, and it's a reminder that I need to really, as much as I can in between working, even with all of my travel. Now, I also checked out my stress levels, which are actually very normal, and overall balance, which I've always felt. But again, it's cool to actually see the data that supports that. And then if I jump into my vital signs, it gave me an overall score of 91. That's pretty darn good. So I'm telling you, good heart rate, I've got good blood oxygen levels, and good heart rate variability. And as this collects more data, it can also help build plans for you to change some of your activities and improve your overall scores. And yes, there's also this blue AI button. This gives you summaries of your data, and then it brings some of that important information to the surface. So you can have it respond to prompts that are preset on the bottom below, like, how did I sleep? And it's gonna show you that result. Or how active am I? So it just gives you a quick summary from the data collected. Plus, this app tracks your historical data and will help you establish trends as well. And in case you're wondering, you can go into the app and go into your profile, and all the information and data collects, you can connect that with either Apple Health or Google Fit, so all the activity and all the metrics that this Ring collects can be shared with your phone platform of choice. Now we know that the health data space continues to grow and get better, and there are many platforms that do similar things and help bring important information to you quickly, but what really stands out to me is not only its in-depth software and insights in the app, there are no subscription fees here at all. I'm gonna repeat this, no subscription fees. If you want to get something more in depth, I get it. There's some of these apps that give a little more deeper insights, but I'm at a place where general trends are important to me. Sleep tracking is probably the most important for me. Then you go back to the excellent hardware. This Gen 2 Air design is so sleek. It's so thin and light. If you've been using other smart rings, I think it's going to be a little bit of a wake-up call for how comfortable this Gen 2 Air is to wear. RingConn also has a standard size Gen 2 ring. It's going to be a little larger in size. It has 10 to 12 days of battery life. And the biggest difference is that it has sleep apnea monitoring, where this Gen 2 Air, it does have sleep tracking, but it does not have sleep apnea monitoring. Now, sleep apnea is a lot more of a serious condition. If it shows you that you're trending that way, you can then see a medical professional for follow-up steps. But let's now talk price, all right? The RingConn Gen 2 Air is only $199 compared to the competition, which easily comes in at $300 or higher. That's even, for this, $199, it's even half the price of the Aura ring, and then you haven't even added a subscription plan in. So this is, to me, really the sweet spot for price, comfort, and design, and features. And for me, I really left surprised with how good this Gen 2 Air Smart Ring is. I have been turned off by the bulkier ones. They just didn't feel right, but I kind of did it because, oh, the tech benefits. No, and for me, as long as you have sleep apnea monitoring and it's not a priority for you, then this RingConn Gen 2 Air, this is the smart ring to get. Now check this out. I've got a special deal for you. Purchase your RingConn Gen 2 Air and get 5% off with code BrianT05 when you go to the link in the description. So there you go. The RingConn Gen 2 Air, this is a winner for me, and it's the thinnest, lightest, and most affordable smart ring, and it is really the perfect entry-level smart ring.